Welcome to the ultimate introduction to automating your work with Microsoft Excel formulas, designed specifically for beginners. In this video, you'll learn the essentials of Excel formulas and how they can significantly boost your productivity. Get ready to unlock the power of data manipulation and automation. Let's get started. So, what exactly are Excel formulas? Formulas are instructions that you give to Excel, telling it how to automatically calculate values. These formulas enable Excel to perform calculations and return a result, making your data analysis more efficient and accurate. A typical formula begins with an equals sign followed by the calculation you want to perform. Why should you care about Excel formulas? Well, they offer two major benefits. First, they save you time by automating repetitive calculations instantly. No more manual computations. Second, they significantly reduce errors by eliminating the mistakes that come with manual calculations. With Excel formulas, you can ensure greater accuracy and efficiency in your work. Let's dive into the basics. The most fundamental rule to remember is that every formula in Excel must start with an equals sign. The equals sign tells Excel that you are about to enter a formula, not just plain text or a number. Without it, Excel will treat your entry as a simple label. For example, to add 5 and 3 in a cell, you would type equals 5 plus 3. The equals sign is what tells Excel to perform the addition. One of the most powerful features of Excel formulas is the ability to use cell references. Instead of typing in the actual numbers, you can refer to the cells where the numbers are located. For example, you can use cell addresses like A1 to reference data. This means that if you change the value in cell A1, the formula will automatically update. This makes your spreadsheets dynamic and greatly reduces the need to manually update formulas whenever your data changes. Excel supports all the standard math operations. To perform addition, use the plus sign. For subtraction, use the minus sign. Use the asterisk for multiplication, and the / for division. You can combine these operations in more complex formulas, and Excel will follow the standard order of operations. For instance, equals A1 plus B1 adds the values in cells A1 and B1. Similarly, equals A1 minus B1 subtracts the value in cell B1 from A1. Excel also comes with a variety of built-in functions that can perform more complex calculations. Let's look at a few essential ones. The SUM function adds up a range of numbers. For example, equals SUM, open parenthesis, A1 colon A5, close parenthesis will add all the numbers in cells A1 through A5. The average function calculates the mean of a range of numbers. For example, equals average, open parenthesis, B1 colon B10, close parenthesis, will find the average of the values in cells B1 through B10. The count function counts how many cells in a range contain numbers. For example, equals count, open parenthesis, C1 colon C20, close parenthesis, will count the number of numerical entries in cells C1 through C20. Now let's put it all together and create your first formula. Step 1. Click on a cell where you want the result to appear and type the equals sign. This tells Excel you're about to enter a formula. Step 2. Enter your formula using cell references and operators, and then press Enter. For example, you might type equals A1 plus B1. Excel will then calculate and display the result in the cell. To ensure your formulas work correctly, here are some common mistakes to avoid. First, forgetting the equals sign. Remember, every formula must start with an equals sign. Without it, Excel won't recognize your entry as a formula. Second, using wrong cell references. Always double-check that you're referencing the correct cells in your formulas. Incorrect references will lead to inaccurate results. Congratulations! You now understand the fundamentals of Excel formulas. With these basics, you're well equipped to start automating calculations and making data analysis easier. Start practicing these techniques and watch your productivity soar. The more you practice, the more comfortable and proficient you'll become. Happy excelling! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.